Yo, what's up, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. Hopefully, you had your risks managed on this latest drop. But just going to give you a quick update here on what I'm looking for Bitcoin and Ethereum after this recent price action here. So, as you know by my previous post, we were watching this 4 hour trend here, which was holding nicely here. So we could see 1, 2, 3, and even here it was holding as well as holding above this low, still giving us that bullish market structure on the daily time frame. So I was watching for loss of this and loss of this low to invalidate my bullish thesis that we were going to move higher. So as you can see, we have lost the 4 hour trend here. So like I said before, lose this 4 hour trend here, and we're looking for a pullback into this 59K support next. But ultimately, we are looking for a pullback. Since we did lose the 4 hour trend, we would look for a test of that next significant trend, which is the daily trend in this case, which is currently at about 50K level. So as long as we remain below this 4 hour trend, I do have to expect a pullback at minimum into 59K. And if we don't reclaim the 4 hour trend from there, continue to expect a pullback into this daily trend. So basically the deal is if you're buying anywhere in here, you're basically just catching a falling knife. You don't really want to try to just dip buy anywhere in between here, in my opinion, at least going by my system. You want to wait for a test of this daily trend, or simply wait for a reclaim of this 4 hour trend and continuation higher. Now, if we do develop some sort of range here, with this being like a range low, and we sweep this, reclaim or something, maybe I'll play into that. But ultimately, not doing anything until we either reclaim this 4 hour trend or some sort of low time frame trend, possibly. But as long as we remain below this trend here, I am looking for a pullback into 59K. And if we lose that support, you would be looking at a test of that daily trend at about 50K for Bitcoin. So if we take a quick look at Ethereum here, what I had been saying was we had been watching the 6 hour trend, which you can see we reclaimed here. Actually, we held it here, lost it, reclaimed here, and we were looking for it to hold here. But it did break down here. So we are looking for a test of that next significant trend, which if we take a look here, I believe daily trend is close. Yeah, so daily trend here, you can see very nicely respected trend. So I am looking for a test of this daily trend and then possibly continuation from here, higher here, reclaim that 6 hour trend or whatever the trend is in the by that time, and look for continuation higher. But until we test this daily trend where we reclaim the 6 hour trend, or maybe we start respecting the 4 hour trend, possibly here, but it's 6 hour trend for me is what I've been watching. So either reclaim the 6 hour trend, or we're looking for a test of that daily trend. Anything in between there, we're just simply not doing anything. And one more chart here I will cover is ETH BTC really quick. Just looks like absolute garbage. You can see even like this high time frame range lost the range here, and even we didn't even get a sweep of this low here, like a wick below and reclaim and continuation higher. We simply just led straight back down through it. So far this does look like it can continue much lower to possibly the next level, which is, yeah, let's see here what that distance is. About 20%, yeah, down to the next support level. So that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Hopefully this helped you guys. And let me cover one altcoin while I'm at it. I will cover Doge here. So we had been watching the 4 hour trend, and for this low to hold, keeping our daily market structure bullish, but we have lost this 4 hour trend, even bearish retested it here a bit, and falling lower. So as long as we remain below this 4 hour trend, I cannot expect any move higher and continuation lower into the next key trend, which in this case, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum, is the daily trend. Very nicely respecting the daily trend here. So yeah, basically currently what we're waiting for now is either reclaim of some other trends, the lower time frame trends like 4-hour trends, 1-hour trends possibly, or we simply wait for this test of the daily trend. Anything in between here, just not really doing anything. Maybe you could take a few scalp trades or something. But for me, it's just a waiting game now and waiting for that next leg up to happen here. Or maybe we even go and lose these daily trends, and then it's completely risk off for me as, yeah, we have lost all key trends at that point, and you would be looking for continuation much, much lower. So that's what I'm looking for currently. Hopefully this helped you guys. Give you a quick update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yeah, just Dogecoin here. Stay safe, guys, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.